Hello and welcome to Dad Got This, where we answer the tough questions like, what dish to you just screams, holiday magic? And what's a potato's favorite scary movie? That second one's easy, Silence of the Yams. For me, it's not the holidays until the can of Bruce's Yams comes out. I absolutely love this. I don't know if it's a side dish or if it's a dessert. Whatever it is me and my father's absolute favorite thing about Thanksgiving, Christmas, any holiday you can make this, I would make this because I absolutely love it. So I was thinking, what could I do to make this dish even a little bit better? And I thought, why not add a little bit of smoke flavor to it? Maybe that'll work. I've added smoke to mashed potatoes, macaroni and cheese, and all other kinds of things, and they've been great. So maybe this will work. Let's find out. First thing you need to do is prep your Ninja Woodfire. I'm gonna use some Smokin pecan shell pellets. I think pecans and that flavor will just go great with the holidays and this dish. So that's what I'm going with. Let's set up the air fryer. Woodfire, that thing. First things first, grab your hopper. Fill it all the way to the top.
Right to the top.
Then give it the dad shake. The dad shake either compacts the pellets and makes it burn better, separates the pellets and gives it lots of air and makes it burn better, or it does absolutely nothing. I still do it every time. I've had some comments and questions lately about people saying, have you had problems with these pecan pellets lighting? I've honestly never had a single problem with any pellet lighting. I think it's because I do the dad shake. Turn your wood fire on. We are gonna go down to air crisp. Make sure you hit that wood fire button. For temp, we're going to 350 Fahrenheit. Celsius. For time, I don't know, we'll go 40 minutes. It is not gonna need that. I'm doing a slightly modified version of the recipe that is on the back of the can. I've made some changes to it in the years and I think they work out well. First step, open up your can and we are going to drain the can. Save some of this juice. You're gonna need about 3 tablespoons of it later. In here is 1 stick of unsalted butter, melted. To that, you're gonna take and add 3 tablespoons of your yam juice, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and about 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I like to use sea salt. You can use whatever salt you like, just don't use anything too big and chunky. And just give that a nice little mix. Add in your sweet potatoes or yams. I think yams and sweet potatoes are similar, but not the same. Maybe, maybe not. Let me know in the comments. Just give them a little toss into a casserole dish. Make sure you get all that goodness out of your bowl. A little shake. Wood fire's ready. Let's go ahead and stick these in. I'm using the griddle and the rack in there because I don't actually want to boil these from the bottom. I just want them to kind of heat evenly with that smoke. So I don't want to get the heat from the bottom of the grate. I don't know if the air fry setting heats the bottom of the grate. I could probably just test it and see how hot it is. Hold on. I don't think it's actually heating that bottom grate actively. It's only about 150 degrees and we've got it set for 350 Fahrenheit, Celsius. So I don't know if the raised elevated thing is needed, but I'm gonna do it. We're gonna cook these for about 15-20 minutes and then check them, see if they're hot and bubbly and how we want them to look. These have been in there for about 15 minutes. Let's give them a look. We are bubbling. 140, 160, 160. We're gonna let those go for about another 5 minutes. Time to grab them for step 2. We're gonna turn this bad boy off, turn it back on, go to air crisp. For the temp, we are gonna go all the way up to 400. 12 minutes should be good. After setting that guy to 400, we're just gonna wait for it to come up to temp, and then we top this with some marshmallows. Our wood fire is up to 400 degrees, which means it is time for marshmallows. Most people use the big ones. I like the little ones. It makes it kind of easier to scoop it and get more marshmallows per slice. And we are just gonna there's only a few left. Might as well just use the whole bag. Back in the air fryer for a few minutes. We are gonna watch this. We are just looking for these to brown. That's all we care about. Two minutes later. 2 more minutes later. These are almost perfect. I just want to spin them because it looks like they are getting more color on one side than the other. Two more minutes later. Oh man. Look at that. Now, unless you want to eat molten lava, give this thing a good 15 to 20 minutes to cool down. That'll give me some time to take some pictures, and I'll see you in a little bit. And there you have a holiday side dish fit for Buddy the Elf. Oh, this is it's a treat for me. I'm gonna go with just a little section right here. Oh, look how drippy and gooey that is. Oh, come on. That looks fantastic. Let's see if I'm gonna burn my face off. A little bit of marshmallow, a little bit of the juice, a little bit of the yam. I love it so much. Oh my God. It's sweet. You get that hint of the smokiness, kind of like a toasted marshmallow when you roast them over an open fire. The nutmeg and the cinnamon just add a wonderful flavor. Mmm. Oh my gosh. I just want to eat this entire dish. The mini marshmallows are just, you get a bunch of marshmallow anywhere you want. Mmm. Oh my Lord, that is delicious. Now stay tuned because from now on through Christmas, I'm going to be releasing some of my favorite holiday recipes. We got turkey. We got this guy. I got a whole bunch of other sides and maybe some big dishes. Some fun stuff coming up. So sprinkled throughout now and the end of the year, make sure you are subscribed and you got your notification bell on because holiday favorites are on the menu. Be sure to like and subscribe. YouTube loves it when you do the likey thing. I love it when you leave a comment because I answer just about every comment in my comment section. Talking to you guys is one of the funnest things about this whole thing. I get to get ideas for new recipes. I learn things. It's fantastic. So please leave me a comment. Also, you can follow me on Instagram. I'll throw the link down for my Instagram. I'm trying to be a little bit more active and post some fun pictures and content on there. So follow my Instagram. Some of you have also sent me a message through Instagram. I'll respond. Sometimes it'll be a little while because I'm busy, but I will. I really appreciate each and every one of you as a member. But if you can't be a member, just subscribing really helps me out. Now that that fantastic thing is done, I guess that only leaves one question to answer. Why are marshmallows never lonely? Because they always stick together. Yeah. Dad may tell horrible dad jokes. Cook the most amazing side dishes you will ever taste in your mouth. That sounds weird. But there is one thing Dad will never do, and that's an outro. So that's it. Bye. Oh my God, I love that so much.
This episode of Dad Got This was brought to you by our producers. Thank you very much.
Look at that. Come on.